In this video, I'll show you how to track your home's power consumption using our home automation app. Stop guessing your electricity bill. See exactly when and where your power is being used. Live in the app. Spot hidden spikes instantly and fix them before they turn into 5,000 rupees surprises. With today's power consumption, you see your entire home's usage instantly, right on the home page, in units. If you've installed an energy meter or smart plug, every room's data is automatically added to your total consumption. Tap on the graph to go deeper. View hourly consumption to spot real-time spikes. Switch to daily, weekly, or monthly trends. Track usage history for up to 3 months. View hourly consumption to spot real-time spikes. Track usage history for up to 3 months. Switch to daily, weekly, or monthly trends. Want room-wise insights? Go to Devices from the bottom tab. Select the room where your energy meter is installed. You'll see live power in watts. Tap on the graph to view room-wise energy consumption, broken down just like the home dashboard. No guesswork, no hidden usage. You know exactly when power is used, where it's used, and how much it costs you.